Okay, all of you people who thought that the cranky rooster was a hen, it's not. It's a rooster. Okay, and I'm going to show you right now. Watch and learn. Okay, this is a rooster. You see that on his head? See that? That's the rooster. Okay, that's the rooster. And this is the hen, you see? You see, he doesn't have the little red thing. He doesn't have that. Do you see it? This is a hen. This is a rooster. Hen, rooster. Hen, rooster. Okay? Now let's see how big they are. Okay, put the rooster down, and we'll see. Put the hen down. See that big rooster, that small little hen? See the difference? Yes, see it. Told. Well, I'm right again. I know my own rooster, guys. Seriously? Did you see that? Okay, let's get a close-up on this rooster. See, this is the cranky rooster. Okay, yes, the cranky rooster. See, look at this big bad boy. Did you see that? That is our rooster. Yes, yes. See. It's our rooster. Yeah. Yeah. Did you see that? Our silky rooster. Come here, big boy. That is a rooster, not a hen. Alright, that is our rooster. Over there is our hen. The white one, the little one is our hen. This is our big rooster, alright? This is our hen, okay? This is a hen, and there is our rooster. Okay, you can see he's obviously bigger, okay? So this is our rooster right here. Okay, he's not a hen like all you other people said on the cranky rooster video. Alright? See? It's a rooster, guys. Seriously? Alright? This is our hen. Okay, not a rooster. And this is our rooster, not a hen. Hen, rooster. Hen, rooster. Look at the rooster. Stop! What is wrong with you? Stop! Stop! Ah!